app. This one basically our own.
Sorry, the picture is stuck.
Page SEO. You have a notebook?
Yes, Mark.
Yeah, same. You need to check this one also.
I kind of missed what you were saying because you were frozen for like 3 minutes.
No, it's frozen.
Yes, you were frozen. The conversation was frozen. I didn't hear anything before.
Okay. Now.
Yes, I can hear now.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Oh, I just stopped the video. Maybe something from internet side. See, we have a three categories of SEO. Three categories of SEO. First one is. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
See, three categories of SEO. First one is black hat SEO. See this one.
Mm-hmm.
Second one is white hat SEO.
Mm-hmm.
Third one is gray hat SEO. See, SEO mean search engine optimization.
Mm-hmm.
Mean you are going to prepare your website according to Google rule and regulations. This thing say SEO. Mean if you need your website or landing page or any other page on Google front page, then you need to prepare your website or page according to Google rule and regulations. Clear this one?
Yeah.
We have a two types of SEO, three categories and two types of SEO. First one is on page SEO. Second one is off page SEO.
Mm-hmm.
On page SEO mean each and everything you can do on your website. For example, you change the titles, you change the description, you change the internal link, external link, focus key phrase, meta descriptions, SEO titles, same in image size, all text, caption, descriptions, all these type of thing considered as a on page SEO.
Mm-hmm.
Second thing is off page SEO. Off page SEO mean we need to take your website link. We need like 5 to 6 keywords related to your business and brand. Then we need to go different website directories, social bookmarking, commenting sections, putting your website link. It's mean if someone click on this one, directly go to your website. This thing say
Mm-hmm.
off page SEO. Clear?
Yeah.
See, can you see my screen now?
Yes.
We have a two parts of website. Two parts mean number one front end side of website, second one is back end of website. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
See, can
Yeah.
you see my screen? This one
Yeah.
our dashboard of WordPress. Like you have a OpenCart, Magento, Shopify, Wix. Every website, this one basically CMS give you one dashboard. Within
Mm-hmm.
dashboard, you have a same type of menu. If you see left side, this one give you this type of menus, products, menus, e-commerce, each and every type of option you can get from this side.
Mm-hmm.
Second thing, we have a front end of website. Can you see this one?
Yeah.
This one basically user view of your website.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if you go on Google, like graphic designing course in Dubai, and type like, see this one, this type of titles and description we are going to create. This one basically your SEO titles. This one
Uh-huh.
also your SEO titles. This one also your meta descriptions. Your
Mm-hmm.
SEO titles, focus key phrase, meta description only for your search engine. See, in this case, basically this one e-commerce website. Now we are going to adding the product. Can you see
Mm-hmm.
this side?
Yeah.
Step one, you need to click on all product. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
See, can you see this product? If you right click, open, check the preview of your product first. See, can you see this one?
Mm-hmm.
This one basically your titles. If you go this side, This one basically your first one title. This one title. You need to type 50 to 60 characters for these titles.
Uh-huh. Is
Second
it
thing,
same on Shopify?
yeah, this one is same in Shopify also. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. See this one you are heading two of your website. Basically, these all steps general. This one not for specific like WordPress, Shopify. This one, if you have any type of website, you just need to follow this step. First of all, you need to check the titles. Second thing, you need to check the heading to. This one you are heading to. Third thing, you need to check the content description. Can you see this one?
Mm-hmm.
Minimum you need to type 300 keywords. Mean 300 keywords description you need to type on this place. Next thing, we have two links. First one is internal link. Second one is external link. Internal link means, for example, I open any link, I directly go to same my website but different product. For example, if I click on this link, if I directly go to my second product within same website. Clear?
Yeah.
This thing say on page like internal link. But if I click on this website, I directly open to other website, like you can give the link of Wikipedia. You have a like blog website, you're also able to give the link of this one. Your basic purpose just giving the more detail and description to your customers.
Mm-hmm.
Clear? You
Mm-hmm.
understand internal link and external link?
Yes.
Internal means someone click, this person directly go to your second product but within same website.
It's
External
like a
link mean,
landing page, right?
yes, external link mean if someone click directly go to other website.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. See, next option, if you move on this side, see this one our product option.
Mm-hmm.
First we check the, this one your front end of your web, your product. Understand? Mean user view of your product. This one basically back end of your product. First option, can you see this one?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
This one basically your titles. You
Mm-hmm.
need to type 50 to 60 characters within this option. Clear? Second
Yeah.
option, can you see this one?
Yeah.
This one basically our heading 2. Just give me 1 minute. So सभी ने ये फर्स्ट टाइम ज्वाइन किया था बोलो कि बठिंडा वाली आईडी yeah just give me 1 minute.
Sure.
Yeah, hi. Sorry for this.
No problem.
See, you understand this one? First
Yeah.
one, title 1. Second one, heading 2. Third one, this one is content description.
Other
Content description.
other
Hmm?
like for example some highlights which description of the product I should be making like to
Yes.
make sure
See,
that it presents, yeah, and so on.
yes. See this one?
Yeah.
This one basically your product descriptions.
Mm-hmm.
See, next option, this one our content description. Within content description, we need to generate the two links. First one, we need internal link. For example, I have this website. You need to open this website, click on any other product. For example, I click on this, copy this link, go back in your edit product, select any keyword. For example, I can select this keyword. Can you see this option?
Yeah.
Insert, paste your link, and click on save. It's been when someone click on this one, directly go to your second
Oh,
product. Clear this one?
yeah.
Second thing, we need to put the external link. See this one, other website, copy, select one more keywords, again insert. This one basically external link of your website. Then you need to click on publish or update. See, step one, we give the titles, heading 2, content description. Within content description, we need to put the two links. First one is internal, second one is external. Yeah, hi Sabine, how are you? Can you hear me? Hello, can you hear
I
me?
think, but somebody else, I'm not sure.
Yeah, this one is the one more student.
Yeah.
Okay, see, understand this one. Next thing, we have a focus key phrase or focus keyword. See, basically, now you need to take your focus keyword mean your product and brand name. Now you need to take your product and brand name from this one. Sabine, can you hear me? Victoria, can you see this one? Focus key phrase. Focus key phrase mean if you go on Google, you can type like anything like homes in Dubai. Can you see this bold keyword? This
Yeah,
one
yeah.
also bold. This one
But
basically
they
your
pay for it to stay on top, right? I mean, this is just like how to optimize it, but then you have to pay.
no. See, first you see black AD.
Yeah.
This one basically your paid advertising. This one your SEO. Without AD, this one basically SEO, search engine optimization. When we are going to set one focus keyword, basically this one here, can you see this one? Check laptop, backpack, anti-theft. Clear? This one here basically focus keyword or key phrase of your product. Next thing we need to type the SEO titles. SEO title mean if you go check this one villas for sales, Dubai, property finder, real estates, villas for sale, luxury home. This one your SEO titles. This one only for your search engine, not for your website. Clear this one? Next thing is meta description. Meta description mean core keywording of your business or brand. Clear this one again if you go, can you see this one?
Yeah.
This one basically your meta description. This one only you can find in back end of your website, not on front end of your website.
Okay.
Next thing we have, can you see this image?
Yes.
Step one, you need to copy your focus keyword. Same in your side, you need to remove. Mean we are going to set our product image. We need to click on it, paste. We need to type your focus keyword like beginning of all text, captions, title, and descriptions. Clear this one? Each and
Yeah.
everything start from your focus keyword and focus key phrase. Clear? If you go, you just need to update. Then you need to click on the preview site. It's automatically give you view of your website. Clear this one? This one basically your one product is ready. This thing say on page SEO of your website. See, if you have a website, you need to continue from the, if you have multiple product, it's mean each and every product SEO you need to do follow the same step. Same from landing page, same from contact us, about us, our shop, our services. You need to follow the same steps. Clear this one?
Mm-hmm.
You can write this username and password. Yeah. Hi Sabine, can you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Victoria, write this username and password and this one website link,
Mm-hmm.
like WP-admin, and open this website in your side and add one product. Sabine, can you hear me? Yeah, Victoria, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, you can.
Yeah, see this one, website link, username, password, open this website, add one product, follow the same step. Yeah, hi Sabine, can you hear me?
Hello, can you hear
Yeah, hi.
me?
Yes. Okay.
Hi.
Yeah, I just give you like overview again. See, it's been this one our on-page
Yes.
SEO. Today we are going to cover SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. Clear?
Okay.
Can you see my screen? We have
Yes.
a
Search engine optimization.
yes, we have a three categories of SEOs. First one is white like black hat SEO. Second one is gray hat SEO. Third one is white hat SEO. See, black hat
Okay.
SEO
Black, green,
mean
white.
yes, black hat SEO mean if you are going to total opposite of Google rule and regulations, this thing say black hat SEO. Gray hat SEO mean if you following 50% rule and regulation of Google and 50% skip, this thing say white like gray hat SEO. But if you follow 100% Google rule and regulations, this thing say white hat SEO. Clear?
Hmm. Hmm.
We have two types of SEO like on page SEO and off page SEO.
Hmm.
On page mean each and everything you can do on your website, like you can edit the titles, descriptions, internal link, external link, each and everything you can do on your server side or website. This thing say on page SEO. Clear this one?
Page. Okay. Yes.
Second thing is off page SEO. Off page SEO mean we need your website link, we need your five to
Hmm.
six keywords listing different website directories. If someone click on your ad or someone click on your keywords, this person directly go to your website. This thing say off page SEO. Clear?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, you can write this one our step of on page SEO. You have a notebook?
Yes. Yes. I have.
Yes, write this step, write
On
this
page.
one. Victoria, you have any question?
No. I just need a suggestion, like to optimize, it's okay, but I wanna understand like which content on the website we should be optimizing.
We need to optimize the
Mm-hmm.
image size, and if you have like extra coding, you need to remove the extra coding from your website, like text description, proper linking. You need to concentrate on proper linking, proper keyword using related to your business and brand.
Where can I get the best keywords for cosmetics shop?
Yes, we need to use the Google Keyword Planner tools. We can cover
Uh,
in next one. After SEO, we can cover this one Google Keyword Planner tools.
oh yes, please. Google Keyword Planner
Planner.
tools. Mm-hmm.
Yes. And you're also able to use one website, gtmetrics.com.
Yes.
gtmetrics.com. Open this website. put your website link and scan your website. This website automatically analyze your whole website and give you, if you have some error, this website automatically detect and give you details.
Let me try. You said GT metrics, right?
Yes,
Okay.
check your check,
Yeah.
check your number. Been finished?
Yes, I have written.
Okay. Victoria, you just open this website and check the details.
Yeah, I'm checking.
Sabine, this one basically we have a two parts of website. First one is front end of website. Second one is back end of your website. Can you see my screen? This one our dashboard. This one basically WordPress website. This one basically
Mm.
back end of your website. If you open wizard site, this one basically front end of your website. Clear? Back end, front
No, I'm
end
not
side.
getting this.
Can you see this one?
This is front.
This one is back end.
Yes.
This one is front end of
Okay.
website. Now you understand?
Back end.
Mean this one user view of website. Clear? So can you understand? Can you hear me? Hello.
So sorry. So for me, it's done, right?
Mm.
Yes, for you is done. Just try to
Okay. So
practice.
yeah. Okay. Thanks. So then for
I did
Thursdays,
not
yeah.
hear.
Yes. Sabine, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. See, you understand the front end and back end of website?
Can you please come up again? Back.
See, basically
No, I'm not
this one.
understand. I'm not getting this.
Okay. Can you see this one?
Yes.
This one basically your website front end, mean user view.
Okay.
Clear?
This one we can publish. Okay.
Yes, this one for your customer.
Okay. What to
And
say?
this one
Front.
front and END, front end of your website.
Oh, front end view.
Yes. Clear?
Yes.
This one basically back end of your website.
Mm.
Clear this one?
Yes.
Now we need to go product. Can you see this one?
Yes. Yes.
Click on all product. I just show you like view of your product. If I click on view, check this one your product front view, like view of for your customers. See
Mm.
this one your titles, title of your product. Clear?
Mm.
This one heading 2 of your product.
Mm.
This one description of your keyword.
Mm.
This one internal
These
link
all
if
things
you,
we will write.
yes, basically this one product details and description.
Mm.
This one basically external link of your website. Can you see if I click on this one, I directly go to other website.
Mm.
Clear this one?
But how we can make this one like the
Yeah,
other link and all that thing?
yeah, this one we can going to discuss. See, can you see just
Mm.
edit? I can show you this one. Can you see this one? Title, clear? Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes.
See, step one, you need to go your dashboard. You need to click on product. Click on add new product. Now you need to put the titles. Title mean this one our first step. See, you need to check the 50 to 60 characters
Hmm.
Second thing is this one headline. Same, you need to copy this title, put on this place, and choose heading 2. See, we have a total 6 heading. Every type
Hmm.
of CMS like Shopify, Wix, OpenCart, Magento, this type of CMS give you this type of headline.
Hmm.
See, if you click F6, heading 6, this one is smallest. Heading 1, largest. Heading 2, clear.
Hmm.
This one our content
So directly
description.
we can go. Sorry for interruption. Just I want
Hmm.
to know, like, this. I'm a very beginner to this, like, this social media. So
Okay.
directly we can go to the Google and we can start making all the
No, no, this one not Google.
how?
This one your website.
But if I don't
If
have website, then
I can give you website username and password. Basically, this
okay.
one for SEO. If you like someone hire you, someone ask you do the SEO of my website. This person give you username and
Hmm.
password of this website.
Okay, okay. Then okay.
Then you need to follow this step. First of all, you need to check,
Okay.
like you start from the product. This product have a title, this product have a heading 2, this product have a content description minimum 300 keywords, this product have an internal link, this product have external link, focus key phrase, SEO titles, meta descriptions. Clear this one?
Hmm.
Okay. Understand this content description?
Yes, yes.
See, now we
So
are
we can
going
go.
to
Hmm.
Hmm? Yes, you have a
Yes, yes.
question?
Continue.
Okay. See, now we are going to
No, no, no.
create one internal link. Step 1, click on preview.
Okay.
This one basically product preview. Now we are going to copy other product. Can you see this one?
Hmm.
Copy this link, go back, select one keyword. Can you see this one? Insert. Can you see this one?
Hmm.
Put your website link, click on apply. This one basically internal link of your website. Clear internal link?
No, not clear.
Okay. Internal
Let
link
let me.
mean. Mhm.
Yes, internal link directly. It will bring customer to our website link
No.
or
You
website
already in,
page.
no. Your customer is already in your website.
Okay.
Now you are going to
And so
forward
this
your
internal.
customer. Yes. Now you are going to forward your customer to from your one product to second product. Same website.
Okay. 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 So this is internal. Okay.
Link.
So this is underline something. You are the one you underline. I mean, you put the internal link, so it come in underline.
Yes. See this one?
Hmm.
Clear?
Yes, but if I will do it, so maybe it will
Yeah. I
come
give you
clear to
after
me.
this. I give you username and password so you can do the practice.
Yes.
But concept is clear.
Yes, yes, concept is clear. One
Okay.
product to other product. This is internal link.
Same website.
Okay, okay. Same website.
Next one is in external link. For example, I copy this website link.
Hmm.
Now I'm going to use the link of this website. This one basically my external link. It's mean if someone click on one keyword and this person directly go to other website. Clear?
Other website mean?
Other website mean you can send on Wikipedia, you can send on blog side, in which side you have proper information, detail and description, detail and description of your business and brand.
Okay, it's a different media we can use for our product.
Yes,
Only this link we can send to other.
other people, other website.
Okay, okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now we need to copy the title again. See
Hmm.
this one we have a option focus key phrase. Focus key phrase mean If you go on Google, like, can you see this bold keyword?
Mm.
See this one? Houses,
Yes, yes.
Dubai, property, real estate. Basically, this one focus
Mm.
keyword. Mean your total concentrate on
Mm.
only these keywords. If
Mm.
someone type these keywords, Google automatically refer your website.
Okay.
Check this one: bag, fashion, casual bags. Clear?
Mm.
Next one, you have our SEO title. See this one? This one. Clear this one?
Yes.
Next one, I need to
Yes,
write
yes.
the meta description. Meta description means core detail of your business and brand.
Okay. Just like a description we put.
Yes, clear. Next, we need
Mm.
to copy the focus key phrase. We need to go on image, add image, this side. Can you see this one?
Mm.
This area. Remove, add. Now you need to set the alt text, caption, description, titles. Each and everything start from the focus keyword. Before you can type, like you can type left side, right side, up side, down side. Each and everything you can type from this sides. Clear this one?
Mm.
Okay. Now you write this username and password. This link and username and password. Open this website.
This one, Sadakat Ali.
Yes, this one username,
Mm.
this one password, and this one website link.
Cannot see the website link.
I send you on WhatsApp. Okay. Wait 1 minute.
I'm online through mobile, so maybe that's why the whole this way I cannot see properly.
Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, try to connect from the. Wait, I said. Yeah, check this link. Open this link, then type username.
This is I need to type, right?
Yes, password.
Elegant dot. Okay.